Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist vitamin B5. We'll cover its benefits and how to incorporate it into your routine effectively. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, plays a crucial role in converting food into energy, supporting your metabolism. It's also vital for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and even liver function. Many common foods contain B5, making it accessible for most people. One of the most popular uses for vitamin B5 is in skincare. It's a fantastic humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. This can significantly reduce dryness and flakiness. Furthermore, B5 has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm irritated skin and strengthen its natural protective barrier. You'll often find it listed as panthenol in your favorite skincare products. To use Minimalist vitamin B5 effectively, consider both internal and external approaches. If your diet isn't rich in B5 sources, a supplement can ensure you're getting enough. For targeted skin benefits, look for serums or moisturizers with panthenol. When introducing a new product, begin with a small amount, perhaps a 2% concentration, to observe how your skin responds. Consistency is key for optimal results. While vitamin B5 is generally safe, it's important to remember a few things. Most individuals obtain sufficient B5 through a varied diet, so supplements might not always be necessary. Always speak with a doctor or healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Store your B5 products properly to ensure they remain effective for a long time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.